A very good afternoon to everyone present for the conversation. As we know that in today's world, artificial intelligence, which is commonly known as AI, has spread its wings in all directions. Nowadays, it has become a zing thing. Not a single area is left untouched with the presence of AI. Let it be education, technology, agriculture, transportation, and even many devices and gadgets that we use every day. So we are present here to listen to what the students of BIS have to say about it.
Hello and good afternoon to my dear friends. I am very excited to talk about and listen about today's topic, how AI has changed our lives. But before I say anything, I have many questions floating in my mind. Yesterday, while I was using my phone, I was wondering how can the camera of my phone automatically blur the background, adjust the contrast and beautify my face.
Hi Ankur, I think I have the answer to your question. Smartphones are loaded with AI-based applications, like the camera of our phone uses various algorithms before we can click the photograph. It beautifies your face, blur the background, and set focus. It also adjusts the light according to the environment.
Not only this, Didi, I would also like to bring one more thing to our notice that I've been using Alexa and Google Assistant on my phone. These apps are just fantastic. I can not only listen to my favorite music but also search for different terms using these AI based apps.
Yes, of course. Apart from these two, Cortana by Microsoft and Siri by Apple also features the same. Do you know that apart from listening songs, you can also book cab, order something online, play your favorite TV shows, and listen to the latest news for you. All these apps are powered by natural learning processing and speech recognition, which is a part of AI.
Friends, how can we ignore the real-time data processing feature of AI in terms of navigation? Ola and Uber-like apps use AI as they set the on-demand fare prices with the help of AI. It also decides the shortest path to pick up, sequence of pickup with the help of AI. In case of a personal vehicle, Google AI provides you the traffic alert, estimated time to reach, and shortest route information.
Oh, it's so interesting to know that AI is almost everywhere around us. Friends, have you observed that how the attendance machine in BIS takes attendance of our teachers? Well, some teachers use their thumb while some just scan their retina. Isn't this machine also project AI?
Yes, you are quite right. The same feature is there in our smartphone also. You can lock and unlock it using Retina or by your finger. Apart from this, I love the way I learn subjects on Microsoft Teams. It seems to me as if I am sitting in the real class. I can attend online tests, upload and download content, and be a part of group discussions. It is so fascinating.
Friends, I would also like to bring one more thing to your notice. Yesterday, I was looking for a t shirt on Flipkart and Amazon. When I opened these sites again, it showed me new recommendation according to my browsing history. It became very easy for me to select one.
Thanks, Vedant. It reminded me about one more thing. I also purchased a bag from Amazon few days ago. There was some defect into it, so I decided to replace it. I explored the site and I found a chat box. I simply added my complaint and it automatically asked questions about my purchase details. Finally, without taking to anyone, I could get my item replaced. Isn't it too good?
Great! These e-commerce sites use chatbots which are preloaded with answers to thousands of questions. I would also like to tell you about the OTTs like Amazon Prime, Netflix. Here you can view your favorite shows as per your recommendations, set reminds and filters. Friends, during this discussion, I reminded about my last visit to Dubai. I got a chance to drive in a driveless Tesla. It was just an amazing experience. We just set our destination and it perfectly drove us there. It was loaded with AI based applications.
Well, one of my uncle who is an agriculture engineer told me that AI is helping farmers by using resources more sustainably. They use a software named Plantix which uses image recognition technology to identify defects and nutrients deficiency in the soil through images. It also inspired me to learn AI.
Thank you very much, children. to share your interesting experiences with artificial intelligence. I wish that by now you must have understood that artificial intelligence has invaded all frontiers that we can think of. Thus, artificial intelligence is the future. I hope this will motivate you to learn AI based courses. I again wish you best of luck for your future endeavor.